Good morning, Nykz Squad. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing some Jamaican rice and peas, guys, and we have our peas in some room temperature water. We're gonna be soaking these peas overnight. So we have half pound of peas. This is the round red kidney beans. We have in this a tablespoon of salt and some garlic. So we're gonna go ahead and have this soaked overnight, or you can actually pressure it in a pressure cooker, which is much speedier to cook than actually soaking it overnight. But if it is that you don't have a pressure cooker, because it takes so long for peas to cook, it's best for you to just go ahead soak it overnight so that it doesn't take a long time and finishes your gas or uses up your electricity. So alright, so our peas is now at a boil. We're gonna be allowing our peas to cook for at least halfway through. Once it is cooked halfway through, guys, what I'm gonna go in and do is to add our coconut milk and to our pot, half of the coconut milk and some scallion and thyme. And this is even before the peas is cooked, guys, because you want that nice coconutty flavor to the peas, to the rice and peas. This is a trick for that. So now that our peas is basically cooked, we're gonna go ahead, add the balance of the milk. Today we're using the Grace coconut milk powder. Gonna add that to the pot, allow it to cook down for another 10-15 minutes to ensure that coconut milk gets in. We're gonna be adding also some scallions. Well, we already had scallions in there, so we're gonna go ahead and do the test. All right, so our peas is basically almost, well, basically call it cooked. We're gonna go ahead and add a green scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. There's no Jamaican rice and peas without, so that's the bouquet garni that I already put in there when it was halfway cooked. So I'm not gonna add any more scallion and thyme. I'm just gonna add thyme. Gonna add a piece of rosemary, guys, which is my secret to my rice and peas, and a pimento seeds. So guys, I forgot to put the pimento seeds in, as you can see, but yes, pimento seeds are essential as well. It does give that traditional authentic Jamaican flavor, right? And you're gonna be adding coconut milk or additional water as necessary. Just ensure that you go ahead and season your pot. So we're gonna be putting in 2 tablespoons of butter here, and guys, the butter is what actually gives this it gives this nice flavor to your rice and peas, as well as it gives this shelliness because of the grease. Yes, the rice doesn't really get to come together. So another trick that I do, guys, is that the thing is normally 2 times the water to the amount of rice. I do a 1.5, and then I cover my rice with a foil paper to ensure that it's steamed properly, so that I get it perfect every time without a rice cooker, right? So we've added salt. And guys, salt is to taste, and I recommend that as you go along with your seasoning, each time you season, each time you add something different, you go ahead and taste it. Gonna be adding a little bit of sugar as well, and this is for balance, guys. Add salt, you add a little sugar, balances out the taste. Yep, everything is coming together. So let's just leave this and have it simmer down. Cook until we're ready to go ahead and add our rice. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now that it has been cooking for 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and add our rice, and we've washed our rice twice, and this is just regular white rice, not basmati, not jasmine, just plain white rice. Gonna go ahead, stir that in to ensure that the peas is incorporated throughout the rice and peas, so that you don't find that once you're finished cooking, the peas is at the bottom of the pot, at the sides of the pot, and not in the rice and peas. And it's quite important that once it is that the rice is almost cooked, before you go to leaving it to just steam out, you go ahead and fork your rice to incorporate everything. So you're gonna go in with your fork and basically pick up your rice and the peas together and get everything incorporated and looking uniform. Final taste test now, guys. You can see the melted butter on the top of that. Tastes good. So let's go ahead and cover with our foil paper, guys. And this is my little trick: 1.5 times the water instead of 2, and then cover with your foil paper and allow to steam. Alright guys, so this is the finished rice and peas, guys, and I'm also gonna be throwing in some clips of my rice and peas presented with along meat. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for following me on my journey. Remember to go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for making it. Chef Nykz Recipes. Bye, Nykz Squad. Until next time. Peace.